You want to go for the world record, don't you? I'm ready when you are.
Hello everybody, my name is Scar and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, and once again I am in a random spot. I think I'm just going to keep doing this for the fun of it. Now this time there was no mistake, I just wanted to leave you guys clueless. So, let's get into this. Because what I'm going to show you is something extraordinary. Now, before we start, I might as well say something. Okay, really quick. I got that gold bolt. Turns out you have to jump at the top of the things and then just walk across. Okay? And like get to the thing, and like some of them had blocks on it so you couldn't jump over there. Some of them had flat stuff so you could. So it's like a maze kind of in a sense. I don't know. Anyway. And after that, I think I just came here and then, oh yeah. Wait. Let me see if I did. Did I do it? I did. Okay guys. I went off screen, okay, not on screen, but off screen, and bought the pixelizer, which does the, actually, let me go find some enemies, I'll test it out.
Hey, wanna race again?
No. You guys never heard any of that. And that probably just gave it away, but who cares? Okay, look. You go find an enemy, enemies. No, I just jumped down here. Why would I want to do it again? Oh, that's right, this is the sewers. Okay, you know what, just forget it. I'll just show you. Basically, you shoot it, and it pixelizes stuff. See? See what? Oh yeah, it shows this guy. And then this, the Groovatron does this. It makes people dance. Yeah, do the Charlie Brown, man. Do the Charlie Brown. I can't do the Charlie Brown. And yeah, that's about all we did. I went searching for the third gold bolt without you guys, I'm sorry, but to no avail, I could not find it.
You're back. We can do another race if you want.
Yep, and now I bet you all know it. That's right, people. This is the hoverboard racing. And I already did all three of these, and I totally forgot to look at the trophies again. Gosh darn it, man, I hate myself. Nobody cares, though. So, let's get into this. Oh yeah, let me see. Okay, good, it's on normal. Okay, I might have to like search up a playthrough on where all the gold bolts are at the end, but not now. Also, you guys wouldn't believe it, but the second gold bolt I found, you wouldn't believe where it was. It was on the hoverboard track. Like, there was another gold bolt. I think it was the second one. I'll show you where it was. Now, for those of you who've never played this game, this must be a really cool sight that you've never seen. Now, let me tell you, I'm a pro. I have never come in second. And if you're saying, but how? You're literally in last place right now. But to that, I have to say, because I'm not trying. Watch. Time for me to get into serious mode. Nope, you didn't see that. Never saw that.
Ratchet is now in second place. Can he catch up in time? This race is brought to you in part by Megacorp, makers of this year's most anticipated toy, the Proto Pet. Pre-order yours today.
How am I in third place? Woo! Come on, Trey. You got this. Woo! No, why would you stop? Oh God, just saved yourself, man. You just saved yourself. Okay, this might be the first time I lose. Not gonna lie.
Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Ratchet takes the lead.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Uh-huh. That's how you do it. That's how you donks it. Like I said, never came in second, always came in first, baby.
Win.
Let me just tell you, I played 4 matches offline, or off screen, I mean, just to see how I would like do, and I did really good, actually. I did always first. And like, after I finished like the gold race, I checked my bolts, and dude, I had like 27,000 bolts, and I was like, what? I must have, cause like I hadn't checked it for a while, so I guess like the entire thing gave me a lot. I have 7,000 bolts. And I give you like 1,000 bolts for every try. Anyway, I didn't get the time to show you guys where the gold bolt was because I was busy. But just to make sure like I got it, I'm just making sure that I should have 8, 6. Wait. Let me think about this through. Okay, so my first 2 gold bolts. I had 2 on Iridia. Okay. And then I got 1 on Kerwin. Okay, that makes 3. And then I got 2 here. Right? Okay, well, anyway, I'm done here. I already did everything I needed to do here besides find the 2 Rhino cards that I found. That's right! Also offline, I found the 2nd Rhino card. Haboom! 2 Rhino cards now. Anyway, so just to make sure all my gold bolts add up, because I should have 2 here, right? Right. Two here, 1 on Velden, or not Velden, Kerwin, and then 2 at Iridia. I don't know where the 6th one would be. But sadly, doesn't matter where I have some.
Still an important gadget in Nebula G34.
Rilgar, it's nice knowing you. 2 here, 4. Oh, I got both gold bolts on that planet.
All cleared out of Kerwan.
Oh, it's Kerwan. Velden, Novalis, Kerwan, Iridia, Rilgar, and Nebula G6. Nebula G36.
Operation Falling Star? I have a hunch there's still something important to do on Rilgar.
Yeah, it's called Rilgar. And what is important to do on Rilgar? Besides find that 3rd gold bolt.
With Skid gone, there's not much left to do on Iridia.
Okay, so yeah, they're talking about that. Find all the Rhino holo cards. Well, I guess that means that there's nowhere to go besides G364, I guess. Yeah. Guess there's nowhere to go. Let's head out. Woo! Oh, and there's 1 gold bolt, which makes my life easier. But the fact that there's like 28 gold bolts, and together there's 1 on Velden, 1, 4, 5, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The fact that we only have like 10 bolts means that like we're gonna have to go to 8 planets that equal 18. That's a lot more planets.
Captain, come in. Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Copy that. You're clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here.
Cool. Now, wait. Ooh, what are the new weapons? Oh, they're no new weapons. Now, I'm pretty sure we all know that. Obviously, I'm just gonna say it. He's doing this to get rid of us. But guys, we need to keep a close eye out for gold bolts. Okay?
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Wasn't there another place I saw that I'm out. Wait. No, because that was on Kerwin. Wait, that might be where the rental card is.
Which planet should we go to? There are still parts.
I bet you're wondering, hey, Scar, why are you going all the way back to Kerwin? We're already done with that place. You completed all the missions. Now, to that I say, well, there was that one barrier past the second. There were two barriers. There was the first barrier which I was able to get through, but there's a second one which it said I needed a trespasser for. And I still need the magna boots, so I'll have to get those somewhere. And I'll have to go search Iridia just to make sure there's one there. To see if there's one there. Where was I gonna go? I remember.
Attention, travelers. Grav Train D is about to depart.
Oh, no! Boy, there's like a glass thing right there. How could you die on that? See? There's planks down there. How could you die from that? Or, I mean, I guess the fall would kill you, but it's not like you haven't been killed by falls before. Please don't attack me. Please. Please. Okay, I guess you guys will get to see the pixelizer in action. But first, I must use the Groovatron. Oh, level 2, boy. We have to see this.
Citizens of Alero City, I know when you think of me, you think of power, bravado,
They're all dancing and then they just automatically get killed.
criminals scurrying in
They get pixelized. So now you guys see the things in action. Oh, shoot. That is scary. That is being turned into pixel dust. That reminds me of the movie Pixels. Has anyone seen that movie? Comment down below if you've seen that movie. Or matter of fact, just like it if you've seen that movie. Wow, I was standing right in front of them and they didn't shoot me. Here's around here somewhere. Yep. Well, not anymore actually. Is this that place where I'm supposed to be jumping off? And he makes it. That was a close one. I almost died. Okay, so I'm on my fusion grenades.
Hello again.
Hello again. Wait, can you? Wait. Can you upgrade stuff? Can I like talk to you?
Start packing for my trip to Pokataru. You two head on out. I'll lock up behind you.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
I never summoned you. Oh, when I was jumping off that thing, that's when I summoned you. Okay. See, oh wait, I forgot that this actually makes you go faster, so I'll consider this as a way to help make you go faster and say, thank you, game. Thank you, game developers. I'll consider this like a sprint mechanic, even though it's definitely not a sprint mechanic. Okay, look, you guys are getting on my nerves. Bless me. Oh God, bless me. Holo card. It's a Rhino card, I bet. Oh no, it's just a holo card pack. Why is there a holo card here of all places? Crystals. Oh, because this wasn't the original way. This was some other way. That's where there was a holo card pack. Okay, so never mind. What I'm thinking of could still be there. Right here, people. Oh, I can see a holo card right there. What? How do you work this thing? This isn't possible!
I'll come back to this one.
Oh. Okay, I got it now. That was really confusing. It's beautiful, is it not? The answer is yes, it is beautiful. Rhino Pack 3, baby! Let's check out our holo cards.
You just completed a set. Impressive.
Thanks. Rhino card, baby! Zodiac. I just completed a Rhino set. Now I need Rhino set 2 and Rhino set 3. The amount of raritanium you earn has increased by 5%. Cool. Wait, I want to see something. How many duplicates do I have? Still have 3 duplicates, okay. Blargian Snaggle Beast, I've never met that thing. I'm scared now. Okay, so now is there like a way to get back to my ship? I don't want to do this. I'd like. What if I die? What happens if I die? Okay, cool, y'all. That's what I wanted. Oh, that's a close one. Yeah, people, it is time to go to the place we've all been waiting for. And that is... Wait, how come I can't go into the Hall of Heroes? I'm pretty sure we'll get to go there eventually. Anyway, what we're going to is Nebula G34. It sounds tempting.
Okay, what's our destination?
There are still parts of Nebula G34 that we must investigate.
Okay. Like you said, Clank, still parts of Nebula G34, we must still investigate. So let's go. Nebula G34. What are our missions?
And so our hero